what do we got here, man? What do we got here? We got another racist judge being caught up in the mix, right? What else is new, right? Another racist judge, okay? This is according to CWB Chicago. I'm going to read the article here, man, and then give my commentary as I go, all right? Now, the article says, judge reassigned after texting my first ankle monitor gag to another judge. Wow. Okay, so this is the judge right here. This is the racist judge. And this is what she texted to another judge, all right, by mistake. Okay, this is it right here. As you see, it's a little black boy. It says my first ankle monitor. Okay, let's dive into the article, man. The article goes on to say, Chicago, a Cook County judge elected in 2024 to her first 6-year term has been reassigned after circulating an image of a fake toy called My First Ankle Monitor that included a rendering of a black toddler wearing an electronic monitoring bracelet. Okay. The article goes on to say, my husband's idea of Christmas humor, Judge Caroline Glennon-Goodman wrote in a text that she allegedly circulated to another member of the judiciary by mistake. Okay. By mistake. So she sent it to another judge by mistake, which is what got her busted. The article goes on to say Glennon-Goodman has been assigned a pretrial courtroom at 26 in California since April 2024, where she ruled on detention petitions and set conditions of release for people newly accused of crimes. The article goes on to say she was a Cook County assistant public defender from 1997 until last year and handled murder cases for nearly 2 decades. Okay. The article goes on to say Chief Judge Timothy Evans reassigned Glennon-Goodman on Friday. Timothy Evans is a black man. The article goes on to say Injustice Watch first reported on the incident, saying Glennon-Goodman had told a confidant that the message was intended for a close friend and was instead mistakenly sent to a fellow judge with the same first name. So it was just her time to get caught, man. Just her time to get caught for the racism. The article goes on to say Glennon-Goodman was the second most lenient of the pretrial's division's 9 judges. When considering detention petitions, CWB Chicago found last year that she rejected nearly half of all detention requests, while the pretrial division approved about 66% of such petitions overall. Okay. The article goes on to say, let's see, I'm reading this from the phone, guys. So the article goes on to say court records have been told that the former Cook County State's attorney who won a judgeship during the same election cycle as Glennon-Goodman will be taking her place in the pretrial division. Okay. So basically, let's go back up to her. This racist judge right here, she got caught sending this picture to some of her racist buddies. Okay. Some of her racist buddies. Now they say they got some training for, some bias training, etc. But listen, man, again, you can't train out racism. Okay, you can't train it out. In my opinion, this lady should never be a judge again. She should never be a judge again. When you have stuff like this happen, okay, it's hard to get the trust of the people back. It's hard if you ever get it back. Okay, because no black person is going to want to stand before her. Okay. No black person is going to want to stand before her. And guess what? They should not have to stand before her. Okay. Because they know that she's a racist. They know it. It was just like that other judge. They got caught up calling somebody the N-word and all of that. Listen, man, if you can't get rid of her, all right, just allow her to rule on cases, other than black folks. Okay? I mean, since it's such a racist society, just have her rule on other cases except black folks, because black people are her targets. Okay. You can't be a judge and have all of this bias going on, running around sending out racist memes and then come to the courtroom and expect to rule fairly. Right? Nobody should expect that. So this lady should not be allowed back on the bench. And if she is, hey, just put other people before her, excluding black people, just do that. But anyway, man, That's the story. Another racist judge busted, man, doing something racist, you know. Stay tuned. I'll be reporting on the next racist judge that does something because they're coming. Peace.